Good day, Blue Gang. Good day. How we all doing? Today, the 12th of November 21, and a few minutes to the end of the trading section for the week. And I said, okay, since I'm less busy, I'm going to be booked for the weekend. Let's do a breakdown of the week and let's see how the trades for the week, how we could have executed them betterly, how we manage our stops and how. So let's do a breakdown from the 6th or from the 8th of November. So let's work our way through. I'll be working with the 4-hour time frame, the 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 15 minutes, which is my entry time frame. So let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. So this is 4:30, 5, 5:30, 6, 6:30. This is 6:30. So this is 7 o'clock. So this is a pre-London session. So what we'll do is pre-London, we'll mark our high. This is our high, and go down to 15 minutes. You can see prices is currently in a range. So mark up the range, low wicks on the right hand side. Okay, then our low, which is down here, have a low 31. The price currently inside this market. This is rough. This is rough. This is rough. Let's see how price plays out. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. This was a solid breakout, yeah. But I noticed something down here that we could have executed a trade from this angle right here. But the left hand side is very nasty. A cleaner candle would have been good to execute a sell from here. It'd be good to execute a sell from here. Stop loss being right above this candlestick. And if we've gotten a one-to-one, yeah, we've gotten a nice one-to-one here. This would have been good. 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 Nonetheless, I think we took a loss. I don't know how we managed to lose. I think probably we had our, let's go down to 15 minutes. Probably we had our level deep around here, and we think we call this as a breakout. So I can't really recall. Nah, we had a loss, and that was not good. That was nasty, man. That was nasty. So let's move out to the next day. This would have been a good sell, but there wasn't clear traffic at the left hand. You can see, but this we call this market gap. So price came down to this gap. So it was a good one. You could have used that as your support level. It was a good one as well. You can see, I think, let me measure it. I think if that's around 25 pip, that's good. That's good. That's solid. So let's move to the next day. Let's move to Tuesday. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's lay this off. Let's lay this off. Let's lay this off. Go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is around 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's mark it up. I can clearly see a level right here, the same level price we tested. So this is a level right here. So let's go to 30 minutes. Okay, it's looking like a correction. This looking like a correction move. Okay, can you see what I'm doing? 15 minutes. Okay, you have a solid. So we have a solid break of structure down here, but you can see the 15-minute candle had no top wick. So that should have been a problem because the next candle would have rejected just like it thought it would. So how come we got this for a buy? Man, were we sleeping on bicycle or what? Were we sleeping? Were we sleeping? Now if we had a break, that would be better comfort for a buy. Oh, yeah, that would be a buy. I think we got into the buy. We had an aggressive entry right at the break of this high. Sorry, we had an aggressive entry at the break of this high, and our stop was down here. And let me see if we can bring that up so we can see it. We actually got into this buy on Tuesday on the group chat. I think we're going to buy Tuesday. Tuesday, that was on the 9th. Let's see if I can get it up. Yeah. Um, yeah, this is it. We got it and buy. This is it. This is it. This is it. Let's go back to the charts. So that was it. So let's keep moving on. We got into buy here. So let's keep moving on. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. So that was it. So let's keep going. So let's go to the next day. Looking for more clear. You can see from Monday. Um, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's move. Okay. Now here would have been a clearer buying opportunity when price broke above this zone, and probably you could have entered it off here. Waiting for a clear 15 minutes break structure, probably off here, and stop loss below the 15-minute candle, and voila, you've gotten your clean 10 pip. Sorry, you've gotten your clean 10 pip, 15 pip. That was it. So this would have been a clear setup for buy if you're patient enough. I think this was around 10, 15. So it's a good time. By 10:15, 10:30, we should be done out of the market. So that's good. You should have waited and you could have got that setup. It wasn't a bad one. Patience is everything. So let's move on to the next day. Just clear up our chart we got on here. Let's move on to the next day. Is London section, New York section, sorry. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's make it faster. Slow me down. Slow me down. Let's move. This is 5 o'clock, 6 and 7. So let's go to 15 minutes of entry time frame. And in our entry time frame, we can already see that we got a break of structure. Pattern break of structure right here. And this is a clean consolidation right here. But now we can't just enter it of this. Because if I go to the 5 minutes, I think this one look good, good, good. So now we have this. So one price to break above this because price has broken out above our structure. So one price to break above this, probably think for a buy, and that's it. So I would have gotten in after this break. This would have been an aggressive entry when price broke above the zone. And this was a trade I would took as well on Wednesday. I can also bring it up here. Let me look for it. Sorry. Let me look for it. Um, let me look for it here on Wednesday. Okay, this was a trade. You see it. This was a trade. It will be trade by above this structure. You can see it buy, and it was a nice one. You can see it. Those 15 more stops break even. You can see the trade. That was it. 15 minutes. Stop below the 15 minutes candle. That was it. You can see it's easy 10 pip target, 20 pip. You move. That was it. Easy 20 pip, 70 pip. That was it. So let's move on to the next day. 1 hour time frame. Let's move. You can see that in a bigger time frame, can you see that market is in just one big range? Price is just in one big range, ranging from this place here to this place. Now, so something you should understand that after every big impulsive move, like whether bullish or bearish, there's always a sideways market. You can see this. You can see this big impulsive move to the downside. This big move. So all this is correction. For price size to keep going down or go up. So all this is sideways movement. So price is in one big range. So we're trading since on Monday, we'll be trading in this one range, this one big range. That's what we'll be trading since on Monday. So let's go over the next day. Okay. So could this be the breakout candle? Oh, we're back in. For let's work our way through to the 15 minutes. So entry candle. Okay. For let's see what we can do here. This 15 minutes. I think we had a loss here. Oh, I know we had a loss here yesterday. Oh, yeah, I think this was yesterday. We had a loss here, which was some trade that could have gone our way, but chose not to go our way. It has bias of sell. So this was the zone, this was the structure level here. And but I managed my risks. I managed the risks. So like this was 7 o'clock London end, and it was about the start of the London section. And I expected price to push up, but price did the inverse. It was just a big bam, bam down to the downside. So this was the loss we took, yeah, on the GBPJPY. So we had a sell. This managed to lose this, but we didn't let that get to us. We didn't let that get to us. We managed to capture a quick 10 pip to the downside when price broke below the structure was an aggressive entry. So we entered here. This was our entry. As soon as this candle ended, we entered it. No, we're in and out immediately. No time to waste. I think it was the 13 pip. We had the 13 pip stop take profit. So price just boom. That was it. Boom. Price just boom, and that was it. You can see. So since we're scalping, we're using to be fast, we're using to be in, we're using to be out. So I can put it up here so you know that we actually got into the trade. This was a loss. You can see it here. And we go into the sell. This is where we're going into the sell. This is where I'm going to the sell. And this was a trade. You see it here. This was a trade. So that was it. So let's keep moving to Let's move to Friday. So we had a very wonderful buy today. We were also in out. This strategy is by far one of the most simplest strategy. I'm telling a lot of people you don't need much, just be disciplined enough to understand how this strategy works. And over time, you'll make money through compounding. You will make a lot of money from it. I keep telling people this every day. So let's clear up all the charts. Let's do that. Let's clear. Let's let's show this. Let's show this. So what we do, we go to 15 minutes and look for structure. Okay. So I noticed that there was a structure here. The little structure here, and there wasn't much clean candle on the left hand side. So I needed price to give me. I wasn't supposed to enter this trade. It wasn't a good trade. It was not a trade that we advise people. It was not a textbook trade because I always need clean candles on the left hand side. But I saw price react to a certain way, which was this. Price reacted like this, and this was a confirmation for me that, oh, price, there was a failure to the downside. Price couldn't push price. The market couldn't push price to downside. So this was that buyers were more. So I had to just wait for price to break above the zone, and I had a little stop loss around 10 people. This 15-minute candle, and it was a 17 pip take profit, and price just voila. I can't remember the take profit, but I know we had a good run. We 70 pip take profit, but when price got to our 10 pip, we closed it. We closed 80%. We always close 80% at our first TP, which is this. You can see it. We always close first. You can see it there was a trade. We always close. That will happen. We close our 80% on our 10 pip, and price came down back to our stop loss to hit us out of the trade. And that was how we ended the week. It wasn't a bad one. So we had like two losses and two wins. So it was a break-even kind of week. So that was how we ended the week. So that's it on my analysis for the week and how I executed my trade. And I hope this video helped you guys to understand more on how to trade GBPJPY and how to scalp it through the breakout strategy. And that's it. I'll be dropping more videos on my weekly analysis every weekend. So please stay tuned. Do like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.